Ever dream of a credit card that grows with you? Let's face it, credit cards can be a double-edged sword. They offer convenience and can help build credit, but they also come with the danger of overspending. But what if there was a card designed specifically to help you manage your finances and build a solid credit history? That's where the Capital One Platinum Mastercard comes in. This no-frills card is a great option for those just starting their credit journey or looking to rebuild after a setback. But with a no-frills approach comes questions. Like, how high can that credit limit actually go? In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of the Capital One Platinum Mastercard, uncovering the mysteries of its credit limit and how you can maximize your chances of getting an increase. So, buckle up, credit card enthusiasts, and let's get started. Fair credit friendly, understanding the Capital One Platinum Mastercard. First things first, the Capital One Platinum Mastercard targets individuals with fair credit. This means it's a fantastic card to establish your credit history or get back on track after a rough patch. It boasts a zero annual fee, which is a major plus, especially for those on a tight budget. Now, the perks don't stop there. The Platinum Mastercard also offers automatic credit line reviews in as little as 6 months. That means responsible credit card use, like on-time payments and staying within your limit, could lead to a credit limit increase, a win-win for building healthy credit habits. The credit limit enigma, unveiling the numbers. All right, we know what you're here for, the credit limit. Capital One keeps the exact maximum credit limit for the Platinum Mastercard under wraps. But fear not, credit card warriors. We can analyze what others have experienced and strategize how to optimize your own credit limit journey. Based on online reports from cardholders, the Capital One Platinum Mastercard credit limit can reach up to $3,000. However, it's important to remember that this is just a ballpark figure. Your creditworthiness, income, and financial situation all play a significant role in determining your initial credit limit and any potential increases. Unlocking credit limit growth, strategies for success. So, how can you tilt the odds in your favor and maximize your chances of getting a credit limit increase with the Capital One Platinum Mastercard? Let's explore some key strategies. Become a responsible repayer. This is the golden rule. Make your payments on time, every single month. Late payments are a red flag to Capital One and can seriously hinder your chances of a credit limit increase. Utilize your card wisely, don't max out your card right away. Aim to use around 30% of your credit limit and pay it off in full each month. This demonstrates responsible credit card management and increases your trustworthiness in Capital One's eyes. Let time be your ally. Capital One automatically reviews credit lines every 6 months. Be patient, keep using your card responsibly, and those credit limit reviews could become credit limit increases. Keep building your credit. The Platinum Mastercard is a stepping stone. As your credit score improves, consider applying for Capital One cards with higher credit limits and rewards programs. Remember, a diversified credit portfolio can further strengthen your credit health. Beyond the limit, building a solid credit foundation. While a high credit limit is desirable, it's not the sole focus. The Capital One Platinum Mastercard is an excellent tool to establish and manage your credit responsibly. By following the strategies we discussed, you'll be well on your way to building a strong credit foundation that opens doors to better financial opportunities in the future. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.